Hello children, how are you? Today we are going to learn name of fruits in Hindi. फलों के नाम in a very unique riddle form, पहेली के रूप में. चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं. तो सबसे पहले पहेली है, फलों का राजा मैं कहलाता, राष्ट्र फल भी हूँ माना जाता, बताओ मैं हूँ कौन? Now let me tell you in English. I am called the king of fruits. I am also considered as a national fruit. Tell me, who am I? सोचो, आंसर तो पता है आपको. Yes. आम. It's mango. अब आती है दूसरी पहेली. पीला रंग है मेरा, 12 महीने आसानी से मिलता, कच्चा पक्का दोनों ही काम आता, बताओ मैं हूँ कौन? सो लेट मी टेल यू इन इंग्लिश नाउ. My color is yellow. I am available 12 months easily. I am used both raw and ripe. Tell me, who am I? So what is the answer? Answer is Kela, banana. So the next one is नारंगी रंग है मेरा, विटामिन सी से भरा, छिलका खोलो और खा लो ज़रा, बताओ मैं हूँ कौन? So let me tell you in English now. My color is orange. I am full of vitamin C. Open the peel and can have it. Tell me, who am I? So the answer is Santra, which is orange in English. So the next one is ऊंचा लंबा पेड़ है मेरा, मीठा पानी मेरे अंदर है भरा, श्रीफल भी है नाम मेरा, बताओ मैं हूँ कौन? We call it also this as a Srifal. Can you guess what is the answer? Okay, let me tell you in English. My tree is the tallest and the longest, with sweet water inside me. Shrifal is also my name. Tell me, who am I? Can you guess the answer? So the answer is yes, Nariyal. It is coconut, which is very tall, and the water is sweet. गुच्छे में ही मिलता हूँ, काले और हरे है दो रंग मेरे, खाते सारे लोग मुझे, बताओ मैं हूँ कौन? Do you know the meaning of गुच्छे? गुच्छे means bunch and it has two colors. So let me tell you in English so that you can guess the answer. I am found only in bunch. Black and green are my two colors. All people eat me. Tell me, who am I? So, what is the answer? The answer is Angur, which is called as grapes. So, here is the next one. पानी से भरपूर हूँ कहलाता, बाहर से हरा पर अंदर से लाल निकलता, शरीर में पानी की कमी को पूरा करता, बताओ मैं हूँ कौन? Did you understand? Okay, let me tell you in English first. I am full of water. green from outside but red from inside. I meet the lack of water in the body. Tell me, who am I? Now you can guess the answer. So the answer is tarbooj, which is called as watermelon in English. Here comes the next one. पकने पर फल बन जाता, काले बीजों से भरा रहता, देखो तो पीला दिखता, पर खाते मुझे जब मैं नारंगी होता, बताओ मैं हूँ कौन? So let me tell you in English now. When ripe, I am a fruit filled with black seeds. Look, I am yellow in color, but when you eat me, I turn into orange color. Tell me, who am I? So can you guess the answer? The answer is papita, which is called as papaya in English. It is yellow in color from outside and orange from inside. So here comes the next one. घेरा लाल रंग है मेरा, एक दिखता हूँ पर अनेक दाने से भरा, हर दाने में है बीज मेरा, बताओ मैं हूँ कौन? Let me tell you in English now. I am red in color, look as whole but have many in number. My seeds are found in every grain. Tell me, who am I? So the answer is yes, anar, which is called as pomegranate in English. Here comes the next one. खाने में बहुत मीठा हूँ, कभी गोल तो कभी अंडाकार हूँ, काले लंबे हैं बीज मेरे, भूरा रंग का दिखता हूँ, बताओ मैं हूँ कौन? This is very easy. You can tell me. Now can you know what is the andakar? Andakar means oval. Now let me tell you in English. I am very sweet to eat. Sometimes I am round or sometimes oval. My seed is black and long. I am brown in color. Tell me, who am I? So the answer is chiku, which is known as sapota in English. You all like sapota? Yes. So let us see what all the fruits we have learned today. फलों के नाम. पहला है आम, केला, संतरा, नारियल, अंगूर, तरबूज, पपीता, अनार और लास्ट है चीकू. So here comes now रंगों के नाम. So here are the colors which I have learned today. The first one is पीला, which is yellow, kala, which is black, narangi, which is orange, and the last one is bhura, which is brown. So we have learned all the name of the fruits and colors. Hope you like the video. Thank you. धन्यवाद.